guys, welcome to my channel again. I'm back. I'm djsess. In case you're new here, feel most welcome, and please if you have not clicked that button, please subscribe and like and share and comment. Yeah, thank you guys, feel most welcome. Yeah, so today I just thought that I should share with you guys some of the basic tips to maintain a clear face, because we need that glow, we need that natural face. It's not every time you must, as in lazima upake makeup ndio ukae, you know. I know you get it. So I'm just going to share with you some basic tips, very basic. It's not a face routine or anything. I'm just going to share with you some tips on tips that I personally use to maintain a clear face. Yeah, so let's go straight to the not videos. So I have written down the points so that I don't forget anything. Yeah, so let's start with number one. Please, you guys, you should take a lot of water. Yeah, that's something that you should do actually, as in hata ukiamka tu hivi before breakfast, take some water. After before lunch, as in as much as you can, please. Ataka utashinda tu ukienda, you just taka utashinda ukienda choo, that's something that utashinda ukifanya ukichukua maji mob, but it helps, it really helps the skin, because number one, ina keep your skin hydrated, and number two, ina prevent wrinkles and pimples. Yeah, I guess that's okay. You know, we all have different skins. Yeah, but for me personally, I think taking a lot of water has really helped me. Yeah, so another thing that you should do is you should take a lot of fruits. Yeah, so as you know, especially those fruits with vitamin C. Yeah, because vitamin C is an antioxidant. Yeah, antioxidant inasaidia ku even your skin tone. Yeah, your skin inakuwa even. Another thing, pia inasaidia ku glow, and ina prevent pia kudamage your skin from this by the sun rays. Yeah, so that's point number 2. Point number 3, you should avoid popping your pimples. Please guys, if uko na pimples, popping them haitasaidia. In fact, ina increase more chances za ku spread hizo bacteria zinatoka. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. And point number 4, you should avoid touching your face. I know this is so difficult, I also struggle with that, but you should really try and avoid touching your face, because as in mikono yako ina kwanga so active, inashika place mob, inashika uchafu mingi, bacteria, and so if you keep touching your face, ita deposit hizo bacteria kwa uso yako, then utapata pimples, yeah, rashes, vitu kama hizo. So you should really avoid touching your face. Yeah, number 5, we're at number 5. Yeah, number 5, you should clean your face each morning and each evening with warm water. Yeah, so try those tips. They might help you according, you know, as in kila mtu kwa la skin different, as I said. Yeah, so these tips might help you. You might find your one tip or two that are zenye zinaendanisha na your skin. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I don't know how I can thank you guys. Yeah, but thank you. Also, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit that bell button so that each time I post a video you get notified. Yeah, and you'll be among the first to watch, because more and more is coming. More it's coming. You should not miss that. Yeah, So thank you guys, bye, see you next time. It's your girl djsess. Toodles. Mwah.